Hey guys, so today's video is going to be kind of like a tips and tricks on how to look expensive on a budget. I'm basically just going to share with you guys a lot of the different tools that I use to kind of help me save money on shopping. So it's not even necessarily like the items have to be like expensive. To just make life a little bit more easy when it comes to shopping, so you don't have to be like stressed like, oh my gosh, I just spent way too much money on this item, like what do I do now? So I'm gonna help you. So yeah, the first tip is called Shop Tagger, and basically what it is, it's a tool that when you go shopping you can save the item that you want onto Shop Tagger, and it will actually notify you like when it goes on sale. You want to add the Shop Tagger button to Google Chrome. So when you add it to your browser, the little Shop Tagger button, it will literally notify you. Like if you're looking at something, it will be like in the corner of your computer, it will be like, ooh, save this to your items of things that you want like a notification on if it goes on sale or something. So it's like a reminder every single time you're shopping so you don't forget about it. So yeah, not only is it a web app, you can also use it on your phone, and basically it's just a really smart way of shopping. You can actually organize your lists into different lists, so you can do like shoes, you can do tops, pants, just to keep it like all organized. It's definitely a really good tool if you want to buy like designer items and like you're just waiting for them to go on sale. I use it all the time when I'm shopping, and I have been shopping a lot lately. So it's definitely something that really does come in handy, and something that you guys should definitely do, especially if you are an online shopper, crazy online shopper, and you want to know when things go on sale immediately. Get it. Shop Tagger. I'll have the links down below. So my second tip, it might be like really irrelevant for some people, but I think it's a pretty good tip, and especially something that I use all the time, is working in retail. That is how you can save money on clothes, because the employee discount, it's like my favorite thing. And I do also know that a lot of designer stores give you 50% off, like employees 50% off. So that is definitely a good tip if you want like a part-time job, even seasonal job. 50% off. Not every, like I don't know all the employee discounts, but 50% off is amazing if you want to save. Not even designer, I think it's just a really good idea, like working in stores, like retail stores, you can get that employee discount. The store that I work at, it's literally every season we get a few items for 75% off, and then all year round 50% off. So if that is something that you can do, definitely recommend it. Even if it's just part-time, like it's a good tip. Tip number 3 is shopping at like thrifting shops. I know like if you want to buy designer items, I think probably the best store is called WASTELAND. I don't know if it's in every single state or if it's international, I don't really know, but that is one where they really only take like designer pieces for the most part, so you can get really good discounts on all that fun stuff, and it is always going to be like pretty good quality because they don't accept things that aren't good quality, obviously. So that's a really good way to save money and find really good pieces, is just like thrifting. If you're more of like an online shopper, I definitely would check out like the apps. Poshmark, I have already talked about Poshmark. I've been using it for years. They do have people selling a lot of designer, and the thing that I do like about Poshmark is you can also negotiate. So say someone has a Gucci purse for $700, maybe you can negotiate it down to $400. I don't know. That could be crazy, because sometimes when people try to negotiate with me, I get kind of offended. You want to be reasonable with the negotiating, but I do know that a lot of people on those type of apps really are just trying to like clear out their closets or something, so that's definitely something that I would check out. My 4th tip is always checking coupons. I don't know if that's common sense, but I wanted to add it because sometimes I do forget. But anytime I'm shopping, no matter what, I'll just type in like the website, say I want a Dolls Kill coupon, I'll just type it into Google and then the websites will pop up like 20% off, 30% off. It's just always good to always double check coupons because it can definitely make a huge difference to your shopping cart when it comes to shopping. The one that I use the most is Retail Me Not, which I feel like is the most popular one. There's a few other ones, but I can't really think of the names. But just always remember to check coupons. And then for my last tip for kind of looking expensive on a budget is definitely something that I've been doing since I was like 13 years old. Dressing like a celebrity or getting inspiration from your favorite celebrities and finding pieces that are similar but not the same, but it will kind of like help you put together outfits. Say like Kim Kardashian's outfit costed like $6,000, you can find something that costs like $45, and they kind of will look the same. A few websites that actually do have like get the look items is, let me see what it's actually called, but they do have like the exact like look for less. It's called divaboutiqueonline.com. I'm always seeing them kind of like put up inspo pictures for the clothing, if that makes sense. That's definitely something that I recommend, just getting like inspiration from your favorite celebrities and then kind of just getting things that are similar to what their outfit looks like. A few other websites, obviously Fashion Nova, Pretty Little Thing, another one, Beginning Boutique, I think, also has a lot of items that are inspired by celebrities. So yeah, I would definitely check out those. And yeah, that's about it for my tips. But yeah, I hope you guys liked it. I will definitely leave kind of like a pretty detailed description if you guys missed anything that I said in this video. But yeah, that's it for this video. Make sure to follow me on all my social media links. It will all be listed down below. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye!